technology truly a value at its best. Alright? And not only that, our path of industry, by the way, will surely fit your budget. Like I mentioned a while ago, right? Our smartphone has a multitask function and very user-friendly. And aside from that, it's very affordable because right now, our SRP for the unit is 4,999 pesos, but we're giving it 20% off at 3,999 pesos. Free screen protector and comes with a mobile cleaner. So grab one today. Nakita ko yung mga bumibili na dyan. And they have limited stocks left, no? So go grab your unit today. That's all. By the way, before anything else, we prepared a promotional video for our Venus 3. This is actually out already in YouTube and also in social media. So let's all watch this. Once again, I'm Christine. Thank you for your time.